Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have an Ameritron Al-80a here. So customer said he went to try to tune it and it would only produce output on one band. So I looked at it. First off, he shipped a tube in it, big no-no. It's an old brown base. 3500Z, said it was low output also, so he's getting a brand new tube from Penta, awesome company. He's getting it at my dealer cost. Needs a plate choke. As you can see, it had an issue here, so I'm going to remove the plate choke, swap that out. I'll add gas discharge tubes, base the socket, because the newer ones come with that. I'm going to add a series glitch resistor over here. The newer Ameritron Al-80Bs come with a series glitch resistor. Actually, it comes with two. So I'm going to remove this electrical tape right here. Looks like the wire was burnt. So I'll unsolder it and then restrip it and re-secure the wire. So if you look carefully down here, that's my cell phone in the background. See how the shaft is split, the phenolic shaft? That's not really needed, especially on the load side, since the shaft is at ground potential anyway. So you don't need the isolation there. So I'm going to have to remove the coil, remove the capacitor, add a coupler to the metal part. I'll remove the old phenolic piece and lengthen the shaft with a steel shaft and put it back in and put the coil back in and so on. So I'll show that and I'll be back. So one other thing, also needs new SO239 connectors. Here's a somewhat new PL259 and there's just not enough grip here, so I'll swap those out. You don't want to mess around with that. You don't ever want it open on the output. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon. Please like, share, and subscribe in the meantime. See you soon. Okay, so I took the capacitor out. I had to take the coil out. Tank circuit. I extended the shaft. I took the old one off, cut the spline part off. Here's the old phenolic one. So, like I said, phenolic shaft is not needed, especially on the load side. This is all grounded anyway, and you have the knob too, so I'll go ahead and reinstall that, and I'll be back. This is in perfect condition, no problem with the plates, no problem with the plates on the plate side either. So, see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-80a. So, I didn't say it before, I put a piece of electrical tape here because there was a bad word behind it, so I needed to block that out. Customer put all these stickers on here. Okay, so decals, whatever. So I'll go over everything I did. So first off, I replaced plate choke. Got a brand new plate choke in. Put the longer bolt in the bottom. When you buy a new one, they wrap the wire around and they don't take off the enamel coating. They leave excess wire, so you have to carefully unwind it and carefully scrape off the enamel. This really thin gauge wire. You don't want to snap it or damage the enamel coating on the turns going from the top to the bottom, so very careful. So did that to the top and bottom. Added the gas discharge tubes across the filament, one per side. Clean the output rotary switch with deoxit gold really well. So I fixed that shaft issue. I took off the phenolic piece, used the piece of stainless shaft hardware, a 1/4 inch shaft, and put a coupler in. So this coil had to come out carefully, and then I had to loosen the nuts on this side with the 1/4 inch ratchet with an extension. I added a series glitch resistor these standoffs on the board, these ceramic standoffs. I disconnected the old B positive cable, you know, from the Teflon cable with some heat shrink on it. Some Teflon tube over it. So I use the proper high voltage cable. It goes from base of the plate choke to one side of the series glitch resistor, and then the other side connects to the filter cap board. So it comes off the positive side, you know, basically where that wire connected over to the plate choke. And then I zip tied the wires underneath. Clean the relay back here. I added new SO239 connectors. Nice Teflon dielectric type. And tested for full output on all bands. And that's about it. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119, and the website is amprepairguy.com. One last thing, I fixed the wire over here. Had the electrical tape on it. Someone hit it with the soldering iron by accident, and I also touched up on the solder joints for the jumpers. It's wired for 120. And that's about it. So, and I got a brand new Penta Lab 3500Z. Always. Okay? Awesome company, great customer service. And that's about it. So, have a great day. More videos to come. I have an Al-80b next. I have a TL922 being delivered today. And I'm taking a break from the multi-band amp. Well, next thing I have to do is tap the coil and a bunch of other stuff after that. So, see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and if you subscribe, you'll get a notification when I put more cool videos on, especially the multi-band amp, and lots more stuff to come. So, stay tuned. 73.